Pointless to say, really. But I am an engineer. I am not a violent person, but I do enjoy violence. Solution? I build an automated projectile weaponry. Now, most people would call it laziness or even cowardice to hide behind machinery. But I call it genius. Because sometimes in the midst of battle, I just need that cup of coffee or a book to read. And as W.B. Yeats once said, tread softly or you tread on my dreams. Yeah, I shot a pyro. Now a heavy is probably after me. So, how about that upgrade?
Well, I guess it liked you, Doc. Well, those weren't nice sounds at all. Let's get this show on the road, then. Yeah, Robbie! Break his mustache! Ugh, so bright out today. Like every other day, I guess. Hold the phone. Tim, buddy, how's it hanging over here? Ooh, is that cherry? River Bro!
Well, listen here, eh? Buy me a pair of ice skates and a date with a devil, because I think someone finally learned his colors. God bless! So, you have a new gun, but no ammo. Carver, did you steal this gun? Did you steal this gun from a Blue? Do they have any more? So, Mrs. Bomber, I sincerely apologize for, all this. And I can't pay you back or anything, but I promise from now on, I'll stay out of your way. You won't even know I'm here, unless I have something to blow up. Now see, Ed, no one here. Down here, the trouble and the fighting will stay far away from you. And I'll stay out of trouble. Hey, I remember you. You're the reason half of the red team won't talk to me, half of the blue team gives me a high five, and why I've been stuck drinking nothing but bad coffee for weeks.
It's the inside what matters, and yours are under my boots now. Ach, was zum Teufel, soldier? Do you know what dodging is? Scheiße!
I'll take that as a compliment. By the way, you look particularly elegant today. Ah, Nicholas. The cello is a magnificent instrument. I wouldn't do him justice.
I'll show you too many snipers, sucker! Like a boss! Watch mode on! Charging laser!